Hello and welcome back for another Q&T price prediction analysis video, and on today's video I will be focusing on my long-term price prediction analysis before I can dive deep into the short-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening since launch in 2021, when we saw an aggressive bounce in a move that gave us all-time highs above the $429.7, and that was a perfect 4x to the upper side. And after getting to the all-time highs, we started a bear market where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a bear market low below the $40. And after getting the bear market lows, we started a very nice bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where we first peaked in this 5-wave move to the upper side in a move that gave us a high above the $229, completing the formation of an even larger Elliot wave count 1. And after we peaked in that Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expected next was a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this red target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to the high above the $229, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that target area lies between the $134.4 and the $80.6, and this is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for that second wave, and in the next coming weeks we can start an aggressive bounce to the upper side in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. But I have one issue with this Elliott wave structure, since you can all see that after we fully maximized our red target area over here, we saw a breakdown move, losing the fib level 0.78, and at some point we also lost the fib level 0.88, which is the last line of support here on the Fibonacci's that lies above the $62.9. And you all know that on losing the fib level 0.88, that increases the likelihood that Q&T is now going to give us a total breakdown move, giving us a reset of the bear market lows, since the fib level 0.88 is the last line of support on the Fibonacci's. Managed to get back above the fib level 0.88 and start an impulsive movement to the upper side. There's still a chance that we can still get that massive bounce to the upper side in the formation of these Elliott wave count 3. But if by any chance in the next coming days we continue to hold below the fib level 0.88, and that is below the $62.9, then there's a high chance that Q&T in the next coming days is going to give us a total breakdown move over here, giving us a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August below the $50, and then finally give us a total breakdown move, giving us a reset of the bear market lows, and maybe at some point even give us new bear market lows before we can start another bounce back to the upper side. And jumping to the 1-hour chart for a better view of that, here on the 1-hour chart you can see that after seeing a massive breakdown move on the 5th of August, we had been seeing a bit of a bounce to the upper side, obeying the Elliott wave structures, where I said to you that we had first peaked in this Elliott wave count 1, and I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliott wave count 2, where we saw a bit of a shallow Elliott wave count 2 that didn't quite fully maximize my minimum target areas, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And we also attempted to get another bounce to the upper side in what I was terming as this wave 3, but you can see we got rejected and started a massive pullback over here, and there's a chance that we have now hit invalidation for this Elliott wave structure over here, and this can now be termed as an ABC corrective structure, terming that as a wave A, then a wave B, and we finally picked in a wave C, and there's a chance that we can continue heading further down, maybe in a 5-wave structure, in a move that can easily give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 5th of August, and also give us new bear market lows in the next coming days. So we need to be very cautious with QNT for the next coming days, and we need to continue watching above that significant key area on the Fibonacci's, which is the Fib level 0.88. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.